Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe an energetic person that you know. You should say, who is this person? How you knew this person, why do you think this person is energetic? And explain how you feel about this person. My cousin Rohit is one of the most vivacious individuals I've ever encountered. He works as a motivational speaker and fitness trainer, and his excitement and love for life are incredibly motivating. He approaches every situation with a bright outlook and boundless enthusiasm, regardless of how challenging it may be. He stands out in any gathering because of his capacity to continue while others are worn out. Rohit is my first cousin, therefore I've known him since I was a young child. As we grew up together, I was always impressed by his boundless enthusiasm and desire to get involved in everything. He was at the center of everything, whether it was academics, athletics, or even planning family get-togethers. His enthusiasm for exercise and self-improvement intensified over time, and he made it his career. He always makes time for friends and family despite his hectic schedule, which inspires and uplifts everyone. Since Rohit never appears to run out of energy, I view him as an energetic person. He gets up early, works out hard to start the day, and then spends hours at his fitness center training other people. He administers his YouTube channel, where he posts health advice, helps others reach their fitness objectives, and leads motivating seminars in addition to his work. What's really amazing is that he never laments his weariness. He has a knack of making people feel better just by chatting to them, and his excitement is infectious. Rohit inspires me and makes me feel so proud. Everyone may benefit from his enthusiasm, commitment, and upbeat outlook. A quick chat with him is all it takes to get me back on track and boost my confidence whenever I'm feeling sluggish or unmotivated. He is a remarkable person because of his enthusiasm for assisting others and his capacity to remain upbeat under any circumstance. People like him, in my opinion, really improve society, and I consider myself lucky to have him as a role model.
For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.